So in this weekend's vlog, we find possibly the Indian restaurant that we've been looking for since Preet's dad and Jasmine's dad retired. Find out more later.
Also on this weekend's vlog, find out where not to go when you're visiting Playa Flamenca. Bad experience? Keep watching.
Ooh. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Well,
Happy Friday.
It's not so happy actually because
Good.
this is
Right.
really strange.
I booked this. I made a reservation last Saturday for a table tonight, which is Friday,
At Chimi Churri.
in Playa Flamenca. I got confirmation, everything. Booked for 7:30.
So we've had to get to Playa Flamenca from La Siesta, which is a distance. And we got here a bit early, so we went downstairs to Lansdowne Bar and had a drink. Came up for 7:30, closed. So we sent him a few messages on WhatsApp because that's how Andy had booked it. No answer. The guy was online, but no answer. Went back down to have another drink. It's 8 o'clock now.
Still closed.
But no,
Not good.
But
We won't be back.
We've got to get
What,
taxis.
what a waste of time that is.
The taxi each way is €20.
Yes. Now, we're going to go and find somewhere else.
We're in the Bombay Supper Club in the commercial centre at Playa Flamenca, and we've ordered way too much food.
No, we haven't.
So I
we
think
always
we
do.
have. I think there's going to be takeaway for
As we
tomorrow
always
morning,
do.
for breakfast tomorrow morning. If you like curry as a breakfast the next morning, let us know.
Curry in a hurry.
My dad likes curry or
I like curry at any time.
what else am I thinking? Trifle.
I like trifle at any time, but not together.
Trifle breakfast. But we'll see what it's like because we've been, as you've just seen, we've been let down big style, and we've come all the way here to Playa Flamenca for a meal that we'd booked into the restaurant, and they're just not there. I would rather they said, "I'm sorry, we don't open," and then we could have booked somewhere else. But we've come all the way here to Playa Flamenca, and we found this place. So hopefully it's going to be a really great experience, and things happen for a reason. We've ordered all sorts. Let's see what comes. The poppadoms are still warm, so they're really fresh. Let's see.
Very crispy.
They are really lovely.
That's nice.
That's really nice. That's like got spearmint, but it's spicy as well. Lovely.
That onion one, the onion one is sublime. Check this. Starter. Oh, more sauce. Oh, he's happy. More sauce.
Very good.
Definitely beautiful. The main course is yet to be tried, but that was spectacular. Loved it.
Yeah, so we'll reserve judgment. We'll let you know in a minute.
I wanted to suck the bone. That's a chili naan. These guys are not scared of using spice, and they're not scared of adding or making food with taste. I think we found what we were looking for. What do we reckon?
This, love it, love it, love it.
I'm going to give that a 9.5.
9.75.
9.9. That was beautiful.
Enough said. Bear with me. So we ordered tonight lamb rogan Josh, extra hot for Bob.
Extra hot.
Extra hot for Bob. No surprises there. We also ordered the spicy rat lamb curry. Helen had a spicy chicken tikka rat lamb curry, which has got coconut, pepper, green chilli, onion, tomato and coriander. And I ordered, never seen this before I don't think, was a chicken jalandhari, which was boneless chicken tikka, traditional sauce with green chilli and secret spices. Actually both of them, I don't know which was which, but they were both phenomenal, as you would say.
Fandabidozy.
Amazing.
2 thumbs fresh.
We've got 2 thumbs fresh.
Yeah, spot on.
So when I've seen coffee before, it's been green.
I see green there.
That's what I see.
Oh, really? Is it pistachio that's in it? Is that the green?
I don't know, but that's so nice. Really nice. Anybody want to try a bit with a spoon? Go on. That's proper nutty, creamy. It's lovely.
It's just beautiful, that.
That's lovely. Really nice. Proper nice.
It's like nutty fudge. It's very tasty.
Oh, that's lovely. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's proper nice.
yeah. If I'm honest, the only thing that could possibly disappoint right now is the bill.
No, I just fixated on.
Just got the bill. €125 all in for 4, which Indian's not the cheapest food in Spain or in this area, but big but worth it. Flavours, taste, bosh. Well done, guys.
Very good. Very good.
Absolutely bloody horrible. Don't come.
Hopefully, if you've seen the channel before, you'll know that it means the absolute opposite. Happy Saturday. If you've not been watching us for a long time, and there's me pointing, naughty boy.
What were you going to say? If you've not been watching us for a long time, what?
Typically at Christmas, Helen will cook a ham. And the way she... Or 2. Today we're going to put the Christmas trimmings up. We've got quite a few people coming around. Well, we've got a few people coming around to see us. Well, actually, they're not coming to see us.
They're coming to see the puppies.
Yeah, and we'll show you those in a minute.
We're just going to get the ham in. These two are bloody noisy. We're just going to get the ham in. Inside the pan.
You need to shout louder.
Inside the pan. They're feeding it, look.
It's because he won't stop jumping up at us, and it's absolutely hilarious. Come on, get it. Come on.
They're teaching the cat to do party tricks.
Well, it's like I would try it. It's like it's amazing.
He's not jumping
Anyway,
now. Right.
my battery's going, so...
Inside the pan, I've got a rosemary sprig off of our rosemary tree, or our rosemary bush. I've got, what do they call cannella in English?
Cinnamon.
A cinnamon stick. I've got some bay leaf. I've got some
Is that
chili.
laurel leaf?
Yes, laurel. I've got some little dried chilies, some peppercorns, and I don't know what these are called. Might be cumin.
Yeah.
I think it's cumin seeds. Anyway, that's what's going in there. I'm going to put the ham in. I'm going to put Coca-Cola in it, and I'm going to boil it in Coke, and then we're going to roast it in the oven in honey and mustard, and it'll be lovely. Here's the ham. That ham, we got it from the chop shop in Casada. It's humongous. I got 2 that size, and they cost 41 or 42 euros, I think. I think they're about 20 euros each, which I think is really good value for that.
The last video you will have seen about the pups.
The little buggers.
And I can't remember what's in the footage because I can't remember if we actually gave the story as to why we ended up with 2 instead of 1. Long story short, I ended up going back to see the guy after we put the pup in the car, and she was kind of following me to the car, so we couldn't stop thinking about her. So the next day, off we went and picked her up.
Well, what happened was, we've probably already told you this story, but this one puppy kept popping up on my Facebook feed. And I'm not really ready for another dog. I mean, we lost Pelly 3 months ago, and it's took me a lot of time. I've not got over it, but anyway, there we go. And this puppy kept, Carlo's drinking again. This puppy kept popping up on my Facebook feed, so, and I just got really interested. It said that she was a boy, because I've only ever had boy dogs. So then I inquired about her, as you do, and they said, the thing's wrong, it's a girl. I said, all right, I'm not really interested in a girl. And then these lot were all saying, oh, that's awful, dismissing it because it's female and not, so...
Sexist pig.
So then we ended up going for this particular puppy, and we got there on the Sunday, and they were all living under a car in the middle of the countryside next to a dirt track, and a broken down old car. There were maybe six puppies.
There were 7 originally, but somebody had taken them on when we got there.
So there were 6 puppies.
There was a homeless guy living in the car.
Yeah. So the first puppy that actually came up to us was not Coco, the one that we brought home first. It was Muffet, the other one that we've got. And she ran up and she was gorgeous. And then Coco came out to us. And then I was saying, which one do I take? I don't know which one to take. And my dad said, look, you've come for that one, so take that one. So we did. But then the other one was playing on our mind terribly all night. So
that's why we got 2.
So Andy, all day at work, Andy were going, and I knew what he was thinking about. And then he said, message that woman and see if that puppy's still there. So I messaged her, and we didn't get an answer. So we just went anyway and got her.
So yeah, defleed, dewormed. There's some new stuff come out. It's fantastic.
Well, yeah, they've actually both got really well. Muffet more than Coco, they're really badly infected by mange, which we can catch. So if we don't catch something off these puppies, it's going to be a bloody miracle. But they've had the treatment. The fleas were falling off dead within an hour, weren't they? Yeah. It's a little tablet that they've had, and it also kills the mites, but we might have to wait a month or 2 before the mites are completely dead. So they're very itchy and very scabby, but very cute and very naughty.
But actually well mannered, I think. They've got fantastic temperaments.
They've got lovely temperaments, and they've been with us less than a week, and they're already almost house trained. And they've only been told off a couple of times for eating plants outside and things like that.
Yeah, and the main plant they keep going for is the chili plant that Finn had last year.
And the only reason I tell them, I don't want them destroying my plants, but I don't know which ones are poisonous to dogs and which ones are not, so I don't really want them eating any of the plants because you just never know.
It looks frothy, man.
It's really frothy. To be even frothier when it starts cooking.
Now I remember what I was going to tell you guys. So here's something that I suggested last night. We decided last night, yes, we're doing it, and put a date in your diaries. If any of you are in the area, if you're interested, May the 4th.
Be with you.
Star Wars Day. Next year, 2024, we're going to have a YouTube meetup. And we thought, it's going to be our 4th birthday, our 4th anniversary as doing videos as T.Co or Brits living in Spain. But we're not going to be on our own. Everybody's invited. We will advise the location nearer the time, but what I can tell you right now is confirmed is Mike and Yvonne from Between the Lakes. They will be there as well. And also Barry and Karen, Scottish couple in Spain, they will also planning on being there. There may be others that may turn up as well. We're still working on it. It's not even 24 hours since we decided to do it. So if any of you is in the area, keep an eye on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and we'll let you know where it's going to be nearer the time.
And let us know if you're interested.
Yes.
It's a meet-up for you guys to meet up with us guys.
And we want to get as many people as possible doing the eyeball to bob. Helen's going to baste it with honey. And there's a bit of Dijon mustard, I'm guessing some normal mustard.
Yeah, the normal mustard's in the fridge actually. Neither.
No.
Actually, I'm just going to score it a little bit.
So in there is honey and 2 mustards.
Yeah, there's English mustard and is it Dijon mustard or whole grain mustard or whatever it is?
Yeah. So he's collecting all them. She's going up there. She's not trying, she's been up there.
Oh no, she's up there.
And then what are you doing, you? Tree's going to be dead before it's even up.
Well, it's not recovered from last year yet, I don't think, really.
What tree?
Yeah, Jonesy broke all the branches last year.
Tree's not up, and he's been in already.
It was adorable.
It wasn't adorable.
It was.
The poor tree's going to be dead this year.
No, it's not. He's already been in the box and the things are sticking to his feet.
What are you doing? You Jonesy face. Such a sock.
Wee man, what are you doing?
It needs to cool down a bit more before I cut it properly.
He's just cold and it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go away.
Look at juice coming out. Hammond. Hammond in
Come
Francesca's got one of them.
I wouldn't know, I couldn't see. I'm going to get that big piece there because I'm a fat.
I've got a bigger piece.
That's proper nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
That's one of the better ones that you've done, I think. 2023 in review. Tell me your most memorable experience. Go!
Probably going to either Valencia or Thailand.
Be more specific.
Valencia, the oceanographic. Thailand, going to Phi Phi Island.
Go.
My most memorable thing about 2023 were actually losing Pele.
Bless him. Pretty boy.
Valencia.
This is Valencia.
Which part?
Hard Rock.
Oh, okay. I
As
have
it was
one
his
word.
first time. He says that and 24th of November.
Aproveche.
He says he passed his driver's
Ah, right, cool. We don't have that on video. Most outstanding memory of 2023. Go.
The most outstanding memory of 2023 has got to be Thailand. It's got to be People Island.
In Thailand, I would say Phang Nga Bay. I could have sat on that speedboat going around the islands,
Well, yeah.
you know.
Parliament. What a spectacular place that is.
Thanks, Gary.
Thanks, Gary.
Parliament it made that trip special, I think.